David's perceptual ability assessment steps. Have the person sit directly in front of you, close enough that you could reach over and touch their forehead without getting out of your chair. You do not want to be so close that you make the other person feel uncomfortable. Is it all right if I touch your hands in what we're going to do? Get the person's consent. We are going to use both of your hands, so I need you to keep them available for me. Let's imagine a cake is sitting right here in your hands. Tell me when you got it. Close your eyes. I want you to keep your eyes closed until I tell you to open them, okay? By asking simple questions, determine how the imaginary object is positioned in the hand. Continue questioning until you get enough information about the object that you also have a good image of it. Make your mental copy of the image in the same place. Take the index finger of the other hand between your thumb and middle finger. Raise the finger to a point a few inches from the forehead on a level just slightly above eye level. I want you to shift your imagination and put your mind's eye here, tap finger, where your finger is, and look at the cake from here, tap the finger. It's just like you rise up a little bit and get another view of the cake from here, tap the finger. Wait several seconds. Can you see the cake from here, tap the finger. If the person cannot make this first shift easily, do not continue. Go to the ending sequence. Explain that the assessment is over and that you will be using the alignment procedure. I want you to keep your mind's eye in your finger. I'm going to move your finger. I want your mind's eye to move with it, okay? Do not move the finger while giving instructions or talking to the subject. Finish making your statement before starting to move the finger, and stop moving the finger before you begin talking. Move the finger slowly and smoothly to a position partway around the open hand. Keep the finger about the same distance from the open hand as the eyes are. Can you see the cake from here? Tap the finger. Ask questions that require a verbal response. Pay attention to verbal response time, speech variation in speech patterns, and any manifestations of confusion or disorientation. I'm going to move your finger again. I want your mind's eye to move with your finger, okay? Move the finger slowly and smoothly a little further around the open hand. Can you see the cake from here? Tap the finger. Again, ask questions looking for the indications that the person actually has moved the mind's eye. Move the finger across the client's midline. Can you see the cake from here? Tap the finger. Repeat this process of moving the mind's eye and questioning until you are satisfied the mind's eye has actually been moved. If the client has difficulty crossing midline with the mind's eye, do not continue. Go to the ending sequence. Explain that the assessment is over and that you will be using the alignment procedure. Ending sequence. I want to move your mind's eye back to the place where it was when we first started. Slowly and smoothly move the finger towards the eye on the handedness side of the person's body. When within a couple of inches of the eye, stop the finger. Take your mind's eye out of your finger and get your original view of the cake. Wait several seconds and ask, do you have your original view? When yes, move the finger in the direction of the lap and release the finger. Make the cake go away and tell me when it's gone. When gone, put another object here in your hand. Touch the palm of the open hand and tell me when you have it. When there, make this object go away, and when it's gone, open your eyes. When the eyes open, move the open hand towards the lap and release it. Here are the 5 different positions we use for this exercise. You can use more, but this is the minimum.